Hello, it's Just Gaming Head. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Basically, this one's a bit slightly different because why am I on Minecraft on it? Well, basically, this is going to be a gaming kind of like. Well, it's not really a gaming setup. This one is going to be kind of like a setup world, basically. So a lot of people don't know how to set up worlds on Minecraft, and well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. So we're going to talk about how to set up a Minecraft Xbox One world, or a Minecraft World Xbox One edition, or whatever way around you want to call it. So the reason why I wanted to do this tutorial is because there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to create worlds anyway, and there's a lot of people that do know how to create worlds, but I just wanted to do a tutorial on it. I know a lot of people do know how to do it anyway, but if a lot of people do struggle, I just wanted to do basically just a tutorial. If anyone wants to dislike this tutorial, it's fine if anyone's done it before. But I just want to give a bit of advice for you guys, because I've created so many worlds on Minecraft, well anyway now, but I just wanted to do a little bit of a tutorial on it just to show you guys. So basically the way how you do it is you go to create world, or you can do it in the tutorial basically, so it's time to bring so you go, or you can do it in these mashup packs as well. So basically there's kind of a few you can choose from. So let's create a normal, simple world. So this world is going to be for my tutorials only. I'm basically going to be coming on this world all the time, and I will be doing some tutorials either on Minecraft and just see what I'm going to be doing on them. Alright, so basically you go to create world first, and basically you go to world name. So I'm going to call the other world. I'm going to call it. I don't really call it tutorial because I've already got tutorial already. I'm gonna call it. I might call it like face tutorials, but I don't. Oh, actually, then let's call it. Oh yeah, I've actually been thinking that I might use Facecam for these tutorials as well. So I think I might call it Facecam tutorials, because what I want to let you know, because when you see the next tutorial, it might be on gaming, or it might be on my face. Basically, you basically see that it's my face cam next. So I'm gonna call it face cam tutorials. Oh no, face cam tutorial. That's what I'm gonna call it. Because basically, next time when you see the next video, you'll see that I've got face cam on this screen here. So I'm going to call it Facecam Tutorial. Because, by the way, I've got a Facecam, by the way, now, but I just haven't got it yet. I just haven't got it out of the box. So yeah, in the next couple of weeks, you will see me with a Facecam on. So I'll be really appreciative. Anyway, right. So when you've done that, you can either change any of this basically. So you can do it in survival, creative. I think you can do it in adventure mode as well, but I think you can't do that in a different setting. So should we do it in survival or should we do it in creative mode? Let's do it in survival, because it's quite good. We'll have the host on as well, because we're not going to be getting any achievements in this world anyway, so it's just a tutorial. Texture pack. Let's do a different texture pack again. A different texture pack that we've actually not used before. I'm just trying to think which one we've not used. We've got the nature one. We've got plastic. Which one have we not used before? Adventure Time maybe. Greek mythology. We haven't used that one yet. We've got City. I want to really use the new one, but I want to do that in like a separate one. I'm gonna do Greek mythology. That's what I'm gonna go and do. And basically, you can either have online game on or online game off. So basically, online game is basically where people can join in, and then when you turn that off, it's basically offline. So I'm going to keep that online. And basically, when you've done that, when you've done your I forgot something. I forgot the difficulty mode. Basically, you can actually change the difficulty as well. So you can either have it on peaceful, easy, normal, or hard. And the reason why I have it on easy is because the easy is kind of the one I usually go for. Sometimes I go for normal. I sometimes go for hard. And I sometimes go for peaceful if there's actually no Googles. But I think the one I'm going to go for is I'm going to go for easy because it is on survival mode. Right. So next up, you want to do is you need to go to you need to go to more options. By the way, and basically more options usually comes up with this look. So basically, you can actually have your own seed in the game. But basically, you don't have to have your own seed. Basically, you just have to have it because it's just like a random sort of Minecraft world. Vines Ballast, basically, I think that usually survives you more worlds. I know, so you can see that you can change your world size. So I usually have mine on basically large or medium because, like I said, on the 360 edition, I used to play on small and classic mode, but I start to play on the bigger ones. So I'm going to go for medium, and also you can change the biome scale as well. I usually go for small because that's going to be the right biomes for me. Also, you can turn bonus chest on or bonus chest off. I usually keep it on or off sometimes, but I'm going to have it on just because it is in survival mode. Also, you can see you can actually change it between a super flat world and a normal survival world. So basically, basically how I do it is I sometimes do it in a flat world if I'm not doing any hard challenges, and sometimes I do the normal worlds if I do have a flat world. So basically, when you turn a flat world on, basically you can actually customize your own flat world, which is quite cool. So basically, you can like put like random blocks on as well. That's quite cool. Disable auto save. I usually keep that on because, like I said, basically it actually disables and you can actually save the game, which is quite good. And also, basically, you can see that I've actually got all these settings on. I've got trust players, got fire spreads, I got TNT exploded on because, like I said, I just like to keep them on. So yeah, that's the world options. Next up is the game options. So this one's pretty much simple. So basically, you can have online game mode, what we were talking about earlier. Basically, you can have that on online. Invite only. This is a big problem, basically. So invite only is basically a thing where you can actually turn it on or off. So basically, you can have people joining into the game, or you can have people turning off the game. So basically, the reason why I keep it on is because I don't want any people in the game. Because, like I said, I might be building and they might be focusing on me. Allow friends of friends. Basically, this one is a bit different. Where you have friends on your Xbox list, or you have random friends joining a world that you don't really know. Player versus player, that's pretty simple. Basically, it's just player versus player who wants to fight. Host privileges now. Basically, this one's a bit slightly weird because you can either have that on or you can have that off. And having that on, by the way, will disable the achievements. By the way, it'll basically disable all achievements. So that's why I usually have that on. And and that is all the game options. So right, I think that is everything that I need to do. So right, let's go and create the world, and let's go jump into it. Let's go see how it goes. So basically, in the next one, I will be using the face cam, by the way, because I did get a face cam yesterday. So hopefully, in the next tutorial, you basically will see me with a face cam on, and hopefully that is going to be able to hopefully that's going to work. By the way, so I'm looking forward to that. And here we go. You can see this is the world down here, and when you've done that, you are in to a Minecraft world. So basically, yeah, it's pretty a good setup, to be honest. I know you might have been thinking that it's not one of the best setups in the world, but I think I've done a really good job so far. I think it's one of the really best setups in the world, and like I said, that Minecraft is one of the best games you will love on your channel at the moment, if any of you do play it. Because I've played this for 4 years now, and I do know what I'm doing. Yes, I do know what I'm doing, by the way. I do know what I'm actually doing. Right. I'm going to start. guys, sorry about that. There, I just had to go and get my breakfast. Yeah, guys, that is the whole of the tutorial. If you guys wanna let me know of actually how you did it, please let me know, and that'd be really appreciated. Like I said, please comment down below saying basically how I do it, because basically my tutorials are kind of like the ones that I wanted to do on my own, and yeah, just don't question me as too much of actually how you've done it. But there's a lot of people out there that have really done it anyway. But I just wanted to do a tutorial on it just to let people know basically if they do actually know how to be able to do it. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for the tutorial. If you guys have got any tutorials you want me to do on Minecraft or on Face videos, please let me know in the comments down below. So basically, hopefully in the next tutorial on gaming, hopefully yeah, you'll be able to see me with Facecam. I'll hopefully try and get that sorted out in the next couple of weeks, and then hopefully yeah, you'll be able to hopefully get me on with Facecam, and then hopefully we'll start from there. Since it's a Facecam tutorial, hopefully I'll be able to get it in. But yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.